I'm ABC 13 meteorologist Jamey. Singleton, an unsettled pattern, a lot of rain heading our way. It won't rain the whole time, but we do have the Gulf of Mexico open for business here. Here we are, and you can see a big cluster of rain and storms. Already some developed on the day on Sunday east of the Roanoke Valley area into Lynchburg with some heavier rainfall and some severe weather across Charlotte County. But there's a real big plume of moisture here, and what's happening is the jet stream's diving down across the Great Lakes all the way down into the Gulf of Mexico. And can you see it? It's picking up the moisture from the Gulf of Mexico, and that's if you follow the weather around here, a very big supply of moisture. Now the big question is, where exactly were these heavier rainfall bands set up over the next couple of days? And then we're talking Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday before everything kind of moves backwards and we get a little bit more sunshine in here by the time we go into the 4th of July holiday, but still carrying a chance of at least scattered storms later on in the week. So temperatures outside will be muggy out there to start, and then we'll start to see those showers and storms likely again into the afternoon and the evening with temperatures in the lower 80s. Some unsettled days ahead. As I mentioned, a highly what we call amplitude jet stream here, a big ridge holding all the hot weather off to the west. We had that last year. We've got this upper level low that's sitting here over Kentucky and the Ohio Valley, and you can see how the flow here around it just continues to pump in the stormy, unsettled weather. We'll have it for Monday. We'll have it for Tuesday. Again, not everybody all the time is going to get wet, but we are going to see numerous rounds of heavy rain and scattered showers and storms, and the potential's there because the air is so moist that we could see some isolated heavier flooding problems develop as a result of that. Here's how it plays out on Futurecast. You can see south side getting hit very hard this evening, and look how all the moisture continues to kind of stream in from the south into the day on Monday. A little bit of sunshine and maybe a lull here and there, so we emphasize this won't be a constant event for the area, but by the afternoon, each and every afternoon, it looks like some waves of rain will be developing across the area. So overnight, periods of heavy rain out there. Temperatures waking up on your Monday morning in the upper 60s to around 70 with some heavier storms possible over the area. Otherwise, partly cloudy, muggy. Periods of fog out there will burn away to partly sunny to mostly cloudy skies by the afternoon. Showers and storms likely, and again some very heavy rainfall. Highs lower 80s. Lynchburg and the Bedford, Smith Mountain Lake 83, Rocky Mount about 83, 84 in the Danville, Charlotte Courthouse 83, and you can see how we're carrying 82 in Roanoke and lower 80s. Very uniform temperatures in a pattern like this because everybody's in the same tropical air mass. Let's take you into the next 7 days, and then with that, the 4th of July, we may have a few natural fireworks of our own here come the 4th on Thursday. In the meantime, look at those rain chances up around 70% for Monday. That means at any given time, 70% of the coverage area could be covered by rainfall. Tuesday, Wednesday, rain chances still high, but they start to dwindle off a little bit toward the end of the week with highs back into the mid 80s to start out next weekend. Overnight lows in the 60s.